First WhatNot item will be this 12 card installment, all real photos of Jesus. I'm pretty sure these are from different sets that someone combined to make the installment because of the tinting and the non-tinting and different colored tinting. So still interesting. Next is a lot of 50 Courthouse Postcards, all standard size, different locations, all United States, all mostly, I think it's all linen and earlier. I don't remember seeing any chrome. A lot of 25 alcohol-related postcards, chrome and earlier, all standard size, drinking, breweries, humor, etc. This is a lot of 40 military humor, and these probably 19 teens, actually 1908 and earlier military romance. I believe it's a set. Whether it's complete or not, I don't know. But 40 cards in that lot. So a lot of 31 real photo postcards. Some have been trimmed, mostly unidentified people, places, and things. Some have a little bit of damage, but good research lot. Some store interiors, but some damage, soldiers, crowds, people, kids. Pretty little lot of 25 dressed animals, a lot of Alfred Manzier cards. All chrome and earlier, some linen in here. A lot of 25 postcards from the 1939 New York World's Fair. All linen and earlier, at least one real photo. A lot of 25 real photo postcards, mainly of unidentified people, places, and things. Some more interesting topics and views. Interesting lot. A lot of 50 kitty cat postcards, mostly chrome. There's a real photo, and there were some, at least one other earlier cat. A lot of over 20, I think the count's 23. Bigger cats, kittens, tigers, no bears, tigers, Bengals or whatever, leopards. So bigger kitty cats. Lot number 2, all alcohol related, breweries, humor, comic, chrome and earlier. This is 25 cards number 2. This is lot number 2 of 25 linen and earlier. No, not linen and earlier. Linen postcards of the 1939 New York World's Fair. I believe these are all different. Lot of vintage views of casinos in Las Vegas, all standard size, all chrome. Lot of over 100 motel postcards, all standard size. Looks like mostly chrome. Might be a linen, but I'm calling it all chrome motels. Various locations. A lot of 50 Native American postcards, chrome and earlier. Lot of approximately 75 Christmas greetings postcards, mostly 1930s and earlier, more on the generic greeting size or side. Lot of over 75 standard size postcards of world fairs, expos, regular state fairs, chrome and earlier, all standard size. Lot of approximately 109 postcards of children, featuring children. There are decent amount of real photos in here, but over 100 postcards, standard size, chrome and earlier, and real photos of children. Lot of over 80 postcards, all from the state of Maryland, chrome and earlier, some linens, Ocean City, Penmar, Park. A lot of over 100 standard size postcards, all California, chrome and earlier. Lot of little over 25 stadiums, a lot of nice linens, baseball game action, chrome and earlier. This one looks like it was laminated at one time. Another lot of 25 real photo postcards, nicer views, mostly unidentified, people, places, and things. Nice old cars, motorcycle sidecar, parades, people. So, really nice lot. Lot of over 130 Easter greetings, postcards, more of your generic sayings. Some do have chicks and eggs, crosses, but 130 or more Easter greetings, postcards, all pre-1920s. Lot of over 100 bears, chrome and earlier. A lot of linens in here, but all bears, brown bears, black bears. I'm not sure what all other type of bears, but the bears. Great lot of tinted real photo postcards, RPPCs, mostly French, but all real photos, all tinted. Beautiful, beautiful postcards. Some, there's a couple duplicates in here, but really, really nice lot. Really nice post-World War II album from Fukuoka, Japan. There's approximately 58 pieces in here. Photos, black and white photos of the town. I believe this came from a person who was with the occupation force. So a lot of nice photos. Some are mounted that you can easily take them out. Some nice local people. Some are, I believe, glued in. Some are missing. I did not take them out. This is as found. Interior of traditional Japanese housing. All photos. Like I said, over 50 pieces. Here's an interesting one. Some storefronts, some street views. Be a nice collection to sell back to someone in Japan or elsewhere. Neat little Christmas card with a note in there. It's an envelope and some ticket stubs. But a really cool album. Cool collection of vintage antique bottle labels from pharmacies. Great for Apothecary. Probably well over 100 pieces. I have not counted them, but there's all these loose packs. And then there's an album full of more labels. So really, really cool Apothecary labels, drugstore mostly French. Be my guess. Looks like some German ones in here. My guess for age is 1920s and possibly earlier. And some blank pages.